In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put bin in Kling AI. Think of this as removing an asset you no longer need by sending it to the bin so your workspace stays tidy and focused. First, open the Kling AI app in your browser and sign in so you're on the main workspace. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Assets. Click that to open your library. This is where all your materials, uploads, and generated items live. So it's the perfect place to manage what you keep and what you remove. Once you're in Assets, locate the specific item you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've identified the right file. Check the thumbnail, name, or any helpful details so you don't remove the wrong one by accident. If you have a lot of content, it can help to scan by category or quickly skim the most recent items. When you're confident you've found the correct asset, click on it to open its detail view. With the asset open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More or Overflow menu. Click that to reveal additional options for this item. Among those options, select Delete. This action is designed to move the item into the bin or remove it from your active library, keeping your space uncluttered. After you click Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message to be sure you're deleting the correct asset, then click Confirm to proceed. Keep in mind that, depending on how your account is set up, deletion may either move the item to a bin or remove it permanently after a period of time. If this asset is important, consider whether you might need it later before you confirm. If you change your mind at this stage, simply close the prompt instead of confirming. That's the entire process. Open Kling AI, go to Assets, choose the item, open it, use the 3-dot menu, select Delete, and confirm. A quick tip for staying organized is to review your assets periodically so you only keep what you actively use. It not only makes navigation faster, it also helps you focus on your best work. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you'll keep your Kling AI library clean and efficient, with only the assets you truly need front and center.